Now it worked out, I guess.
Oh, was quick.
Sinker.
So I want to spawn it as a Jedi again.
Oh,
yeah, I
shoot,
guess.
Do I want to be overpowered as fuck? Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, I'm having a lot of fun during this defense up. Fucking sitting
Okay,
there
that's a good
twiddling
point.
my dick the whole time. Oh look, there's enemies to the southwest. Oh, well, they're too far away. The game crashed, so we got a new server.
Oh, I'm glad the op4 number went down to 2. Sucks.
Yeah, there's a file first off that file first guy that did.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. Welcome back to Jerk My Cock Simulator until we get pushed by a tank.
You didn't say it over Zoa, did you?
No, I didn't.
Okay, I was about to say.
Should've.
No.
Should've.
Whoever is playing with the funny beep sound, be quiet. Probably Hunter.
I never have my mic on, so. Or my audio on.
Oh, Thorn.
It's on me. So, prep.
No. No, I'll do it.
Hey, main character.
Hey, yeah, wrong color.
I'm prepping you.
Alright, well, prep me and then switch your armor.
Oh, I forgot.
Just make sure you switch your jetpack too.
Jetpack?
The white
Yeah,
one.
so the white and black one.
The
Huh.
normal one.
You guys do that?
Yeah, we're
Why
not
would
wearing
we
gray.
not?
Bro, gray looks ugly.
Ruin off. I just wear a gray one.
Come again, Hunter Actual. Hey, for my bad.
And what'd you do?
Nothing. I wasn't. The comm was to somebody else, not to me.
Oh.
I'm giving myself an entrencher.
Fucking dickhead. Wanna give
Excuse
you
me?
Critical match?
Four
Yeah, it's actually
times.
dickhead, sir, you moron.
No, not this shit again.
Also, I'll do whatever I want in my unit. You can discharge and go to 41st.
Oh my.
I'm digging myself a house.
Can you pre-prep me once you're done making your house?
I'll pre-prep you now, because my house is going to take a little bit.
Well, yeah, I wanted you to pre-prep me when I was pre-prepping you.
Well, yeah, I would have, but you were wearing the wrong armor, so...
Okay, it stays on when I... Yeah, whatever, just keep fucking digging. Also, yeah, we're out of time.
Yeah, we only had 5 minutes. I'm going to keep digging my house, though. Let me know if I'm needed.
Dude, there's fucking 6 arty cannons. What the fuck?
Might as well line them up.
Oh,
Ow, those things actually hurt.
I'm making a trench line on the north side.
How are they hitting me? I'm literally inside of a hole on the mountain.
Alright, there's AATs pushing up from the north.
Yeah. We got an AT right under us. Oh, fuck. So there's one vulture. That's it.
I wish I had headlights, yeah.
Yeah, I'm coming.
It's a dead AAT.
You want to light up my house for me?
Yeah, I'll be your fucking light switch, bud.
Because I'm trying to get my nice, like, igloo. Hey, Firm.
Bro, check out the trenches, Ari. I'm going ham right now. These shits are fucking nice.
I'm gonna make a big underground cave system.
Sure you will. Oh, okay.
Oh, there ain't shit else to do as a Jedi during the fence ops.
It ain't the Tribal Chief one, though.
Oh, hold on. Solid copy, good shot. Apparently it was an op 4 north. But the cloud school killed him. Oh, grass.
What?
I found grass inside this mountain. It's my garden.
Oh my god.
Terrain devs. Fucking dicks. Oh.
Now we're making the basement. This is the living room.
What are you guys, role players, bro?
Like on you?
Oh, drop pod. Drop
Yeah, I'm
pod.
just saying, it's gonna take an army to clear me out of this hole. I'm just saying.
That's just a couple infantry guys. They should be fine.
Oh, I have the saber bug. That's great.
Almost just fucking dinked whoever has the shield. Oh, where is Op 4 fool at?
Oh, AAT.
No, the Op 4 is dead. Past the clock, Shoal got it.
Yeah,
Here,
there's gonna be
come here
another
for a second. I need to read myself. Or refresh. Never mind, I'm just gonna refresh. Don't worry about it.
Alright. Yeah, does not 4 have unlimited lives though?
Op 4? Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, so.
Going back to my
Gonna be
house.
up with someone. Oh, we continuing building?
Yeet.
Oh, fuck. I'm gonna take out these dwarfs, then I'll come be your fucking light. Ow.
Oh, yeah, this cave just echoed the shit out of the... Solid. There we go, much better. Need to maybe extend the roof a little bit.
Yeah, I think we need the roofing.
Oh, that's better.
Yo, who the fuck? Oh.
I'm
I was about
taking
to say, who the
shelter, bro.
fuck is this?
You know how ants make their like hills?
Yo, do not do that here.
That's my inspiration. So there's the first pod, and then we're gonna make the second pod here.
Alright, take over. You're being his light.
Yeah, sure.
Would
Or
you just say
engage the
sure?
Providence, I don't think there's a point, but if it's the Vultures, yes.
Oh yeah, there's Providence right above us.
Why does that shit look stupid from like...
The Providence or my house? Yo, you
Would not
not
take
disrespect the crib.
Yeah, bro.
Well, well,
Yeah,
there's
there's
my
an
lights.
MTT's an MTT. I'm coming.
Dude, where's the castle guy on the cannon, bro?
Got me working in the dark and shit. I'm in the coal mines.
Oh, stop.
Bantha.
Okay, there.
Okay, I had my game muted because I couldn't fucking hear anything because it was so loud.
Bro, just have uni eyes to do this shit.
You can see in the dark?
Yeah?
Turn your lights off. What were you saying? One thing I can see is the red dot on your fucking helmet. Alright, turn your lights back on.
I thought it was better than this.
Oh, it's pitch black, bro.
It's cause fucking Roblox, bro.
I need some torches in my hand, that way I can do this shit better.
I'm sure there's a tool for that.
Could be a gear.
Oh yeah,
or something.
Chemlight.
Oh, chem lights.
Yeah.
Give
Chem light
me
out.
tools. Where are my chems? I'm gonna give myself a bunch of
Chem light out.
chem light. Here we go, green chem light. Give myself like a bunch of these.
Let's see how this works.
Boink.
Oh.
Oh great, I need
Okay.
6 of them per room.
This thing's probably temporary too. Who knows? Oh, I wonder why there's a Zeus flying right next to me.
Obviously, I can look at my house.
Up drop pod.
Oh,
That's behind the AATTE and next to a bunch of people standing still.
I'm coming.
Fucking idiots. Up and droid's going. That was a hardcore B2. What the fuck? Whoa, what is shooting us?
Mortars to the 255, I think.
Yeah, I can't see him.
This guy's CM.
Hmm?
Yo, I already suctioned for you, fucking goon. Telling me to suck. How about you suck my balls?
Yo, you beefing with
Unbelievable.
bro?
Yeah, I am. He's a fucking punk.
Yo, whoever made this flag sucks. I can fucking stand on it.
Oh, I can move the chem lights. They are like
What?
torches. Yeah, I can pick them up.
Chemlight out.
All right, let's see. I would say that the second room is done.
Whoever's on fucking dwarf duty sucks. Do the shit myself.
I don't think we have dwarf duty.
We have a walker.
I'm gonna Bantha shooting it right now.
Oh.
All right, let's see. What else could I expand? I could probably go down again.
Oh, make a kitchen, bro.
Yeah, good idea.
Make a command center.
With the, bro,
Oh,
the
God.
fucking trench tool?
Yo, just hollow the whole cave, bro.
Yeah.
This is gonna be the best house ever.
Still one more? Goddamn.
Does Timber know they can't damage like anything? That's like,
Image the what?
Y-Wing can, I think.
No, the Y-Wing can.
I
I
was
don't think
droids around.
170 can. Oh, someone dude just went down.
I need, so if you call assistance north, there's a
Yeah, we got
bunch of
2
shit,
people down out
Welcome
here,
north.
bro.
bunch of fucking shit, like NTTs, AATs, a bunch of group of B1s and B2s.
Oh,
Yeah,
empty. What the hell?
Yeah, Ari, come over here.
Commander Hunter, Wolfpack reporting that we need assistance on the north side. Over.
This guy's fucking O2 and he just died. What?
Oh, there's a lot of tanks.
You see how many ammo boxes I dropped, bro?
I'm glitched.
A lot of tanks over here. Over.
That guy fucking reset, bro. He's gonna save his ass too.
Also, there's a big group of droids.
So I'll force outside. Somebody go deal with it.
Outside where?
I don't know. Claude just called it in.
I'll deal with it.
I'm trying to deal with this with these droids, but there's a big ass tank shooting at me. Top 4 in the triage building.
Huh?
Solid.
What?
They're
I'm
in the
on
triage
for
building.
That's not gangster.
Yo, brother's not in the triage building. What?
Quite a clock drill. Are there 2 triage buildings?
What? I just went inside it. There's nobody in here. Unless I'm seeing ghosts.
Hey, firm. Uni's up there right now. He's not seeing anything.
Am I losing it or like?
Understood. We're there right now. It doesn't seem to be here anymore. Oh, precision orbital. How about AKA big fuck you from the Zeus.
Yeah, especially when I can't fucking see if I'm
Moving. Holy
Brother
lag.
was not there. There was a guy doing surgery in there. So.
More shit
Yeah.
north. I need assistance.
Armor?
People doing surgery.
Yeah.
Lots of armor.
Commander Hunter, a lot of armor on the north side.
MTTs.
Okay, I'm getting fucking shredded.
Yeah, that's a problem.
If you're gonna die, then bail. I'll have Hunter cast it.
MTTs are flying
Oh, I
too.
think just, yeah, just fly.
I'm trying to run with a fucking jet. shit.
Yeah, those MTTs getting lots of close.
TT's dead.
So I got recon for
Yeah. Commander Actual also requesting impact grenade resupply, over.
Saw what you focusing. But he's focusing a lot of the focus on.
Surgical supplies would also be nice, over. That is a lot of tanks. Are they hardcore?
yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
there's one behind me. I'm gonna force push it up the mountain.
Walker needs to relocate, bro. It's coming. Yeah, Walker's on its way to your side. Oh, there's 3 fucking tanks, 165. You need to come to that now. This Walker's coming towards you guys.
I just threw one up the hill.
Tommy, you need to calm the 4 tanks, 165.
Which side is that? South?
Southeast, because they're moving fast.
Reporting 4 tanks
You
in the
guys.
southeast moving towards the mountain, over.
Fuck, they're gonna come to the mountain. Walker's too late. Yeah, Walker's not removing.
Coming.
Well, yeah, but they're fucking hardcore.
No.
Oh, do you have enough rockets? Yeah, you fucking missed. Dropship east.
Coming. Yo, worst case, we'll fall back to my house.
Another 2 MTTs, tanks,
These are fucking orbital.
east.
The 2 tanks to the east.
Yeah, look down there on the beach. It's like 3 tanks, 2 MTTs.
Also reporting 2 MTTs and 2 tanks from the east side, over. There is one brother with a shield and an E-web, just absolutely putting his life on the line for us.
I know. I'm trying to take out the dwarves.
But no one, I'm hopping on the top of it.
Solid.
Okay.
Oh, that was fun.
I'm on a can, their angle's bad.
Okay, well, the shit east is gonna fuck us.
The shit in the south is gone. The shit in the east, I mean, I can force push him off the mountain if we really need it.
Yeah.
Refreshing.
North is getting hard pushed right now, by the way.
We're getting resupply.
Probably not.
I got like nothing.
I think the op's supposed to end when, like, most of us are dead anyway, so...
Correct.
Yeah, so we're not getting anything else this op.
Well, most of us isn't all of us, so...
Yeah.
You know what I always say, we the ones!
Yee.
That means we gon' live! 4 times AATs, 2 times MTTs on the east side, over. You have a little bit of time, but 2 of them are moving up pretty quick.
Don't
Okay.
you have to entrench her?
Dwarfs are down.
I do, but I'm taking care of AATs right now.
Nah, just run back to the
Fuck.
bunker, bro.
How about you scoop it out with your
Reloaded.
Oh, buddy, I got no more ammo. What am I gonna do? Shoot them?
Yeah.
No.
Hit him with Casper the Friendly Rocket.
Yeah.
Bro, want me to like grenade launch?
Throw your grenade launcher at them.
Oh, I'm sure that'll do damage.
Somebody else dug a hole? Damn. I should connect it to my house.
Pretty sure that was mine.
Oh, it sucks.
My fucking...
Fuck you.
My house is better.
God, my medical works.
We got a down guy up here. Let's bring him in the triage.
That's whack.
Oh, they got him.
Castle take care of the ATT.
They don't have a top gun. That's fine. I'll do it myself. Go deal with this bitch real quick. Throw his bitch ass off the mountain. Alright, I'm not gonna lie. It's actually really risky. I don't know if I want to do this.
And
Yeah, you know what? Normally, fuck it, we ball, but I'm not trying to die. This ain't my problem. Commander Clogswell, does the walker need a top gun?
They can't aim down.
I'm
Gotcha,
so
name.
cool, but I don't have any.
Is the ATT top gun out of commission?
Holy shit, pizza's taking heat.
Fuck.
It doesn't aim that low. They have to get like eye level.
Yeah.
Sov, give me O2 real quick.
Oh, I gotta bump this guy. I don't know, bro. Broke his legs a few times. Why is it not? Hold on. There we go.
AT's mission.
Didn't make this. I thought we were gonna turn
Respawn
up the
inbound.
Oh, more
Ah,
mortars.
thing fucking cracked me. Command auto actual, a lot of tanks northwest, over. I pulled one of the tanks.
Oh my god, I'm unconscious.
Hardcore mortars, everybody be advised.
Huh?
Yeah, I just got one hit by a mortar.
Yeah,
I'm unconscious in the bed.
I'm trying to take out the mortars on the beach.
I'm done.
I got one already.
I don't have O2 in me, but it's slow bleed.
It's my
Okay,
first
I got another. There's like one more, I think.
Command to all call signs, be advised. Hardcore mortars in the area, combat space out. If you get surge, sucks to be you, over.
Damn.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Can you read me?
Dead.
Can you refresh me?
How are you, Surge?
Yeah, I'm unconscious in the bed.
Okay, I took out another.
I can't refresh you then.
Well, I'm basically just dead, and you can count as a dead.
Yeah, just we have to get redeployed. Wolfpack reporting 2 times casualties from hardcore mortar. Over.
Just like respawn or something.
Just reset.
I am. It's not working.
Oh, fuck.
I believe they're on the north side by where the beta is, probably just shelling us from the transport, over.
There's one more mortar. I can't get a good shot on it.
I'm going underground after this, by the way.
I'm already underground. We gotta dig further.
We're expelling apparently.
Okay, I took out the last mortar on the north or on the east side.
Yeah, apparently we're expelling. So once lots get down, I'll expel. Command Hunter actual, do you need me to get a lot? Solid copy. All forces RTB.
Womp womp. Another drop pod came in next to your house.
We are prepping exfil, so you said we're getting everybody out of here. Let's get lots to get people the fuck out of here.
Yeah, there's a drop pod at your front door, Tommy.
Huh?
Front door of your house, there's a drop pod.
No! Not my house. Yeah, I'm glad people are using my house.
Yeah.
Oh, well, I think everyone next to your house is dead now, so.
I'm getting in a ball gun.
'Cause this host.
Well, join your VC. I gotta go save the day, as per usual.
Womp womp. Oh, 4 tanks, 105. Yeah, I didn't exfil either. We gotta hold out. I don't know if it's
There's a lag coming for you guys.
Yeah, tribal chief slot. 4 tanks moving in. Fuck that mortar. Oh, that's problem. Except if I can't see. Fuck, it's going fuck off. Oh fuck. Get in the what? Get in the what?
How did I get surged? What?
Where are you, Ari?
Dude, I'm in the cave, bro.
Why didn't you come outside?
Because out there with an orbital going on.
We got in. Are you the last man down there?
Probably. I'm with this other guy.
Yeah, you guys need to get out.
Oh, they just squad commandos on that.
Are you still done?
Yeah.
Yeah, he.
Try to get your way to the top of the mountain. We'll come pick you up.
I can't.
Are you stuck?
There's 2 commandos like outside the door.
Okay.
It's just scary. Oh wait. Oh no.
Got another lot coming.
Uni, do me a favor, get on a command net. That way I can come if I need you.
Hey, firm. I'm fine. I don't know what he means. Wolfpack actual signing on. Okay, well, I'm on command, so. You're in the cave, right?
Yeah. This is AAT outside.
This is Wolfpack actual. There is one person with him in the cave. I'll copy. Hey, firm. Alright. You said no, just hold there. Lots coming.
Okay.
We're really doing so much right now, just XOE too. Copy that. Get ready to go.
Okay.
'Cause now's the only time. Yeah, you're gonna have to move.
Oh, nope. Can't. B1's outside. I got no gun.
This is Wolfpack actual. They are blocked from exiting B1s.
I got no from him, man. Kinda.
He said it's bug, so I don't think he can help. You can't. Yeah, you can't stem bug him. He needs blood.
Oh, got it. Oh my god. That. Oh.
Okay, go, 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 go. Exfil, exfil. Get out, get out. No man left behind.
Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros for the immunity. Paying feed them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one that I do. I got.
Wolfpack actual signing off.
Work.